Hello everyone. I thought I would come on today and share what I plan on doing for my December daily. I have a few minutes. I thought I would hop on and just say, or show you, just show you what I plan on doing for my December daily, the making and the thoughts that I have going into this. So I decided to, I compiled for myself some digital ephemera that I want to use in my journal, and I decided, since you guys liked my November kit and what I was using then, that I would just share it with you guys this year too. So it will, this month. Oh my goodness. Gather your thoughts, Marcia. What are you trying to say? I'm going to be putting this kit in my Etsy shop if anyone else wants to use it. So what I have done is gathered a bunch of labels. You guys know, if you've heard me talk about it in the past, I love labels, and I wanted something so it's different each day. So I gathered a bunch of vintage images that were labels and tags and things like that, and compiled them into a sheet like this. There are 35. They are approximately an inch to an inch and a half in size. Sorry, I'm like winded. I don't know what's going on. There are 35 of them, so of course there's more than what you need, so you wouldn't have to use all of them. If there's one you don't like or something like that, you wouldn't have to use all of them. And also, to go along with that, I put together a collection of vintage images that I have. These are cards and like cookbook pages, stamps. This is a book page, an invitation from 1876, and postcards and other images that I put together that I have that are vintage, and made a collection out of them. And I plan on using them in my junk journal. And they will be available in my Etsy probably. What? What is it? Quiet. You wanted to say hi to everybody? Okay, she just wanted to say hi apparently. She really wants my attention. Hold on a moment. Okay, let's see if that appeases her for a moment. It probably won't. She's already back. She wants to play really bad. What was I even saying? Okay, the kit, I'll clear that up. It's probably going to go in my shop this weekend coming up. So there's that. Now this I picked up last year on clearance. I like going to stores after Christmas and getting things on clearance. And my plans for this is to make a traveler's notebook cover to put my junk journal in, my December daily. I'm really loving black and white this year. I love the buffalo plaid, and I love this and the combination of them. This was from Threshold. I picked it up at Target last year on clearance. And it's a placemat. I'm just going to cut it down and turn that into a TN cover. And then I've gathered a bunch of covers, like I said. Covers. Oh my goodness. I've gathered a bunch of papers and fabrics and things that I plan on using. I want to stick with a kind of a black and white theme, but that's not going to happen, I don't think, because there are so many other things that I like and want to use. But I think the base is going to be, the basic construction of the journal is going to be black and white themed with a bit of red. And so images like that, like these here, will be in the journal. And I will bring you guys along with me to create that. It probably won't be as detailed as the November one was, but just kind of a show and tell of the process of making the TN cover, because this is going to be, because I got to make it stiffer somehow. So I'm hoping, let's just see real quick, can I? Yeah, they are not like fused together or anything, so I can just cut it and take them apart and put some interfacing between them. And anyways, I will show you guys all of that. I'll take you along with me on the construction part of that. So look forward to that here in this next week. I want to have it done before December, obviously. So that will be coming up on my channel. So keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.